Yippee, yippee, yippee. Thank you, Upscott. Woo! Thank you! Yeah, buddy. I just got the package in. Let's get this thing started. Woo! Here we go. Start with the nice. Oh yeah, can't wait. Last video, well actually the next video you're about to see is my front wheel unboxing, so make sure you watch this whole thing. It's going to be called Huge Danscomp Unboxing. I was going to post a video of my frame and my fork, but I put it inside this app, and for some reason this app's like really stubborn, and you have to pay money to get it out. And this box is really easy to open except for this one part. They like didn't tape it. It's like two boxes combined. What the? Okay. Woo! Alright. Here we go. Oh yeah. And this isn't fair. My Voltus bars didn't even come in yet, and I ordered this later. Oh yeah. Man, this thing's cold. Why would they put such a good wheel out in the coldness? Okay. Oh yeah. It's got some fog all over it. It's a lot shinier than it is right now, but it's got some fog. Oh yeah, listen to this. Those guys. And that mini on fleek though. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll get a picture of both of them on my bike after this next unboxing. So let's get this thing started. Oh, fully custom wheel. I'm opening this before Christmas because we're about to go to Florida on like Christmas Day, and I'd have like no time to ride with it. And I'll be getting the back wheel whenever I get back, because it still has to come in the mail.
Shout out to all my pairs.
Oh yeah! Okay, look at this. Look, look, guys. G-Sport. Woo! You know I'm gonna open this thing slowly.
Dig in with your hands, it'd be way quicker. Just cut a hole like right here and then dig in with your hands.
People always do that. And usually people have really hard times getting this off. It's actually not that hard.
Until it builds up.
Oh my gosh, yeah. G-Sport bird cage laced up to a Shadow Raptor hub. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Got the bird cage right here.
Shout out to the pairs.
Female axle.
You gotta shout out the pairs, Chase.
Shout out to the pairs.
That hub sound,
Look at
though.
that. Look at that true.
That hub sound.
Yep, my back's gonna be same thing, but profile mini. Oh, that feels amazing. Don't end it yet, Josh. There's supposed to be some Shadow Voltus bars, but I don't see them in here.
Maybe that other box is them.
Yeah, got this. No, it said JCPenney. Oh, here we go. Got that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put that on. Got nice. Danscomp free shirt. Finally, after I get like 500 calendars. Oh.
Shout out to more pairs.
Alright. Yeah. But this is my Danscomp unboxing. Pause it right now and I'll get back to you if we can find the bars. If not, deuces. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at EpicBMXEdit. At EpicBMXEdit, and subscribe to me at Whips and Tips. So yeah, see you next time. Alright, set up pretty dialed now. Yeah, but again, can't thank you guys enough for supporting me. Just hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more of my boss bike checks and stuff like that. Yeah, nah, just giddy. Alright, deuces, guys. See you next time. Whips and Tips, signing on. Not out. Ooh, rap video time. Yo, my name is Chase. I got a lot of mace. And I tried to touch first base.